Now that I've imported the rubric, I'm ready to create my Wicca assignment. So in my sandbox, I'm just going to go to my Assignments tab and create a fake Wicca. Okay, so here I would put my instructions for the students, maybe link them to some resources. I'm going to put in my point value of 100 points. They're going to do it as a file upload, and I'm going to put in a due date. Okay, you'll notice when you build the initial assignment, there's actually no place to add the rubric. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're just going to save. And once you save the assignment, then you'll see this plus rubric button in the bottom corner. Now, if I press that, I can choose Find a Rubric, and it'll show me all the courses that I have. I'm going to use the one that's in my sandbox. It's the 100-point Wicca. I've selected it and I choose Use this rubric. So now you'll see the rubric that I imported right there, and I'm ready to start grading.